This video will show you how to use the email alarm function of the camera. Log into your camera's web page and go to Settings, Mail Settings. Type in the information of the sender's email account, including the SMTP server and port. This information can be confirmed with your email service provider. Be sure to input a receiver email and click Save when done. Then, scroll down and click the Test button. Ensure you see a test email in the Sender Emails inbox. Check our FAQ Center if the test result is not successful. First, you will need to set up motion detection. Navigate to Settings, Alarm, Motion Detection, and click Enable. Be sure to check the Send Email option. Set the schedule for the times that you want the camera to detect motion events. Set the detection area you would like for the camera to monitor for motion-related events. Click Save to preserve the configuration. Trigger the alarm by performing a motion in front of the camera during the scheduled time to test the alarm. Access the camera log to verify that there was an alarm detected. Finally, complete the test by checking your receiver inbox for an alarm email.